Hello, in this video we're going to learn about estimating population size of animals, specifically the capture-recapture method that scientists use to estimate population size of certain animals. So we'll start with a question here. In blue, researchers count 48 marked deer and a total of 638 deer on a flight over an area. They know there are 105 marked deer. Write a proportion to estimate the deer population in the area. So we're going to use this equation up here. It's also a proportion, as you see, which is another application of proportions that we've learned earlier in the year and last year. So we're going to put the number of marked animals recaptured, and in this case recaptured just means they flew over and observed the area again, and so they observed 48 marked deer. So number of marked deer recaptured would be top left. So I'm going to write 48. And on the bottom, total number of animals counted during recapture, in this case observed, so they observed 638 on the flyover. And that's going to equal the total animals marked during first capture, so they know there are 105 marked deer total. So that goes here. And the bottom is the total population of the animals, and this is an estimation. And it's also unknown at this point. So now, using the techniques that we learned to solve proportions, we know that 48 times x is going to equal 105 times 638. So then if we divide both sides by 48, we should have our estimated population size. So using my trusty calculator, I'm going to do 105 times 638. That equals 66,990. I'm going to divide that by 48 and get 1395.625. So it's an estimation. So we're not just estimating by rounding. The whole thing is an estimation. So I'm going to say approximately 1,396 deer total in this area. The reason it works as an estimation is because they figure whatever percent of the population of deer or whatever animal they're checking on. So if they mark a certain percent, they don't know what percent they marked, but on the recapture, whatever percent they find that are marked, they figure it'll be similar to the percent that are marked over the total population. So it's a pretty cool, tricky way of figuring out the estimated size of the population, because it's not always easy to accurately count every animal in a whole population. So this is a good way to save time and energy to do it. And that's pretty much it for this video, so thanks for watching.